Balangoda Man refers to prehistoric human remains found in Sri Lanka, particularly associated with the Upper Paleolithic period. These remains provide critical insight into early human habitation on the island, dating back over 30,000 years. One of the most significant archaeological discoveries, linked to Balangoda Man, was made at Fa Hien Cave, located in the Kalutara District of southwestern Sri Lanka, named after the Chinese monk Faxian who visited Sri Lanka in the 5th century AD. The cave yielded the earliest known evidence of anatomically modern humans in South Asia. Excavations revealed human skeletal fragments, stone tools, bone artifacts, and evidence of fire use, indicating a well-adapted hunter-gatherer lifestyle. Other important sites linked to Balangoda Man include Batadomba-lena, Beli-lena, and Pahiyangala, an alternative name for Fa Hien Cave. These sites have produced tools made of quartz and bones, along with remains of hunted animals and plants, suggesting a diverse diet and survival skills well suited to tropical environments. The physical features of Balangoda Man, such as prominent brow ridges and robust skeletal structures, suggest a physically resilient population. Findings from these sites have contributed significantly to understanding the migration, adaptation, and cultural practices of early humans in South Asia. The discovery of Balangoda Man challenges earlier theories that modern humans arrived in Sri Lanka much later and shows that the island has been home to humans for tens of thousands of years. These archaeological records are vital in reconstructing the prehistoric timeline of the South Asian region. Here's the details of Balangoda Man associated sites across Sri Lanka. Key archaeological sites: Fa Hien Cave, Kalutara District. The earliest known human occupation here spans Tili 48,000 to 4,400 Cal BP, with anatomically modern human remains around 30,000 BP and microliths forming some of South Asia's oldest bow and arrow technology. Batadomba-lena, near Kuruwita 460 MASLF, occupied from at least 38,000 BP. Skeletal remains date to tilde 16,000 BP. Microlithic tools emerged around 28,500 BP. Beli-lena, Katugala, cultural layers dating 27,000, 3,500 BP. Early evidence, 12,000 BP, suggests salt trade from the coast. Belanbandi Palasa, Balangoda region, open-air site with human remains around 6,500 BP, indicating continuous occupation into the Holocene. Kuragala, Balangoda Kuragala, shows late Pleistocene habitation, around 12,000 BP, and later usage as a Buddhist cave temple. These sites span from lowland wet zones, Kuragala, Belanbandi. They reveal a broad ecological adaptation, ranging from rainforest foraging to seasonal mobility, possibly including visits to Horton Plains, lowland rainforest cluster, Fa Hien Cave, Batadomba-lena, Beli-lena, 30-40 km inland on the southwest plain, intermediate zone sites, Belanbandi, Palasa and Kuragala near Balangoda and Ratnapura, about 2,000–5,000 feet elevation. Archaeological overview visualizes core sites of the Balangoda culture associated with early Homo sapiens in Sri Lanka. Ecological study aids research into how archaic humans adapted across diverse habitats, from rainforest to plateaus and dry zones. Visit planning, ideal for researchers, students, or cultural tourists aiming to tour these prehistoric caves and shelters.